How to buy ANTIX, the ANTIX token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to take a look on their X account. They have a big community, as you can see here. Now, to be able to buy this token is by going to their official website. This token is in pre-sale, as you can see. From here, as you can see, this is the box or the page that you will buy this token. Now just click on connect wallet to buy, and after that select one of these wallet that you use. So for example, I will use Bitget wallet. Now for this, as you can see, click on connect. Now after that click on I agree, and now as you can see here, just go and click on buy. As you can see, the current price, as you can see, is 0.06, and as you can see, just click on you can buy with USDT, USDC, BNB, or Visa, or they have 4+ coin. Now click on buy now, as you can see from here, and now as you can see, enter how much you want to buy with USDC, or you can change by selecting the USDT. After you enter how much you want to buy, as you can see, this is how much you will receive, and after that click on approve deposit. Now if you want to buy with Visa, as you can see, the Visa for now it's not available. Now they provide just USDC, the USDT, and Ethereum. Now after that click on approve, and now they will redirect you to your Bitget. So what is authorization? Just click on OK, and now click on approve to be able. So as you can see, insufficient balance to buy gas fees. Now to fill the USDT with your Bitget is by going to your Bitget and now click on approve. As you can see, they show the same message. Just click on cancel to be able to go to your wallet. Now click on buy, as you can see, and now we will fill the Bitget wallet by USDT. Now after that, as you can see, we will buy USDT. Now select your currency from here, as you can see, the USD. Now after select the currency, now type enter how much you want to buy, and as you can see, go to your Bitget wallet, as you can see from here. Now select the USDT that you want to buy. Now copy the token address and now paste it here, and after that select one of these providers, for example Transact. Now click on buy to be able to buy the USDT. So the others, they say it's unavailable because we want to buy the USDT as under Ethereum network. Now make sure to select the USDT under the Ethereum network, not Solana. So change the network as to Ethereum. Now go scroll down until you find the USDT. Now from here, just copy the token address, and as you can see, now we can buy this token. Just select the Transact as a provider and click on buy. Now for a few seconds, as you can see, they will redirect you to the another page to complete the buy order. Now as you can see, after that click buy now, and now this is the USDT wallet address to be able to buy it. So after that, to buy from here. So after that click on buy USDT, and now enter the email to complete the buy order. So this is how to buy the ANTIX token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.